How to fix no sound on WhatsApp status. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application and search for WhatsApp just to make sure you have an updated version of the application. So as you can see on the screen, there is an option of update, which means we have the latest version of WhatsApp application. So we're going to go back and launch the settings application on our device. Scroll down over here on settings and then tap on apps. Select manage apps and simply tap on the search bar to search for WhatsApp. So let's search for WhatsApp, and as you do that, you'll be able to see the app pop up at the bottom. So let's search for the application. It might take a while, so simply tap on the WhatsApp application. Here, simply tap on clear data option at the bottom right corner of the screen, and here you can clear the cache and tap on OK. Next, tap on the app permissions and make sure that you have toggle on the option for your files and media, your microphone, and so on. Now, after you do that, simply launch the settings application again and tap on the option of sound and vibration. So make sure that your phone is not in silent or you do not have the DND mode on. So let's toggle off that, and now you can just relaunch the WhatsApp application. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.